Let's see if we can. Yeah,
हाय। नो 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 आपके वाईफाई वाले का नाम क्या है? ये आपके अमालियंस को बताओ आप पहले। अमाल।
राजेश बहुत बुरा काम कर, आज उसको स्लैप।
Will you tell me how's it going? ये क्या कर दिया आपने भाई? Cheers, cheers to क्या किया है तूने? तो क्या किया आपने भाई? So many millions of views already for the song.
अभी व्यूज को मैं हार्ट्स गिनता हूँ कि मेरे गाने दिल जीतते, बाकियों के गाने व्यूज जीतते होंगे, बट आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग.
Yeah.
एंड फॉर मी व्हाट आई वुड से इज very important when a song
Hmm.
comes out is
Hmm.
the more than anything the comments for it.
Yeah.
So yeah, audience के जो comments होते हैं are the most truest form to gauge कि
Hmm.
वो numbers जितने मारे नहीं मारे, it's all dependent on promotion and all those things also. But बिना heavily aggressive हुए बिना भी, I think all the songs of last season, first season, this whole show has had
Hmm.
really good music. And previously season 1 had my buddy Yash Narvekar compose
Hmm.
a song Tap On, Laute Nahi. Rana Majumdar did one with Shreya Ghoshal. Then second, the third also has us. Thank you. There. So I think
Okay,
some
your audio is cracking a bit, Amal.
now is it okay?
हाँ, अभी तो आ जा रही थी, but you have to just say a sentence so that I can gauge it.
अभी क्या लग रहा है ऑडियो का?
ठीक है, very musical.
So I think the whole season, all the third season specifically has a more intense love story compared to the others. So यानी मेरे पास ये गाना आया था, they wanted me to do the quintessential my vibe and heartbreak and deep meaning song. कहीं ना कहीं I was not in that zone. I'd just done तू मेरा नहीं, and I wanted to break away from that and do. Obviously, today that kind of music is very big. Even my Chale Aana and all these Judai type songs and intense songs really work. But
Yeah.
today there are too many of them, So I was feeling ki why not change that up a bit and do something which makes people smile today and want to fall in love. And this is that kind of song, It's it's a feeling of moving on, maybe with the same person in a new way, or finding new love again after a terrible relationship and a fight or something. So it speaks about finding a new love, hopeful of finding a new love, seeing someone again who you loved some time back in a new light. It's those sweet things. Nostalgic love with a feeling of wow, it's happening to me for the first time, but it's magical also. So all those things were what I had in mind, and I was on the 35th floor of a hotel in Dubai when 20 days back, where I got this brief from Priyanka, my director, Neeraj, who's the EP of Kabir Singh, who now is the producer of Broken a lot. And he's very musical. So I opened the window, and that's when the line came to me, Kholi hai khidki maine is nasuk se dil ki. And the rest of it, Virag sir, is beautifully written. And Arman and Palak, I think, and the music producer, Weber, Poland, my engineer, all of us have done our best. Worked for 20 days. The song was ready in 2 nights. Lyrically, changes
Yeah.
hote rahe. But, the environment, the guitars, the whole surrounding bed of music that I wanted to create took about 20 days. And we gave it our best. Now seeing the madness and the love, it's beautiful.
Now tell me something. Rockstar तो देखी होगी आपने, obviously film industry and one of the watershed events. Rockstar का
जी.
वो डायलॉग नहीं है, प्यार में दिल टूटा है, दिल टूटने पे म्यूजिक निकलता है, संगीत निकलता है. I mean, where is this love ballads and songs of love and loss and some things that become anthems? ये inspiration आ कहाँ से रही है अमाल की जिंदगी में? I mean, do you often get this question that who is it who inspires you to create the kind of music that you do?
I think musically the inspirations have been many. Previously, like I've grown up luckily in an environment of great musicians. My grandfather was my first. then Madan Mohan
Yeah.
Saab, Hetty Burman, Lakshmikant Pyarlal, R.D. Burman, Shankar Jaikishan, all these great musicians I got to hear about because I was in this family. So वो Indian music मैंने proper classical training नहीं ली, but बहुत ही अच्छा Indian music सुनने मिला when I was a kid. And I was listening to English music through my friends and all those things. When I grew up, I started loving Rahman sir, Preetham. So musically, it's been different people. Even the people I've worked with have inspired me. Salim Suleiman, they've been my gurus of background scoring there, and I've been their assistant. Then I listened to Hans Zimmer, a lot of John Mayer, James Horner, all these musical influences there. But when it comes to lyrics and
Yeah.
experiences and personal life and all those things, I believe in taking everything, feeling everything in life. I don't like to hide that, if I'm down I should feel, no, let's keep a different vibe. And so I let everything make me feel a certain way, and I believe that everyone should let these feelings come about. Ki if you're feeling let down, maybe sometimes a friendship didn't work out, maybe a relationship didn't work out, some of your friends have troubles in their lives, and every emotion you should be open hearted to. You should not be like, I don't want pain, I don't want love. I understand it happens when you go through a transition where you find pain, then you're immediately, I don't want love. Then when you find love, then you're like, I don't want pain. I think it's all part of that system which makes you. So I keep my experiences help me find those things. I don't force to think, it naturally brings me to a time, I felt this at that point of time. This character also feels this. It just has to be said in that way. So I find a lot of my poetry coming from here. Like Kaun Tujhe Yu Pyar Karega. Like I have a ear for the right things. When Manoj Kishore said that line, I stopped and I said, this is it. ये छुपा लो. Because this is what every person, maybe a father, a mother, brother, sister, a relationship, anyone, when you have a fight, they're like, हाँ जा देख ले, देखते हो कौन तेरे नखरे देखता है या कौन तुझे मेरे से ज्यादा प्यार करे है, मम्मी भी बोलती है. So it's a universal thought. So I try to keep my eyes and ears open for those kind of things.
Right.
And I feel freely. I don't try to restrict. I take pain completely inside, and so I grow from it. I don't avoid. And when I feel like, I'm having a great time, I have a great time. So I don't
आपने
like.
सरदार मलिक साहब की भी बात की थी. I mean, if we talk about the Malik tag, you are the one person, along with your brother, of course, who have not really found the Malik tag limiting. You've been independent of it, And one thing very interesting that I found is that you like to spell your surname with a double L. And Arman does it with a single L. So that is also independence altogether, individuality. इसके पीछे क्या कारण है?
बचपन में मेरा पता नहीं, किसी एक छोटी सी, पहले मेरे ट्विटर पे 4-5 फैंस थे सिर्फ. Like I had 5 followers, but 5 really sweet kids, and one's mom was into astrology and I never believed in it. But my time wasn't also good. My films, like I did one film, Jai Ho, and the Malik tag added more than, the pressure than helping me and Arman out. It created more of roadblocks. So we decided that we need to be not Annu Malik, Dabu Malik, we need to be Amal and Arman. So that was a difficult task. Then when I did Jai Ho, the music didn't get appreciated, and people compared me to my uncle and my dad, saying, can't make music like them, not a chip of the old block. For a 23-year-old, that was a little harsh, to handle. So I was demoralized, and somewhere I felt, why am I doing music? And these things used to happen to me. So I was not sure if I would continue. I started studying M.Com and all those things. So कहीं ना कहीं से एक छोटी बच्ची की मम्मी ने बोला कि just add one A and one L, it will resonate better with you. I was like, Amal? Malik? ये क्या है? तो सब मजाक उड़ाएंगे, अमाल का माल जो अभी होता ही है. But it was funny because I look out for signs and energies in my life. I'm very spiritual like that. I don't believe in anything except a vibe, with people.
Yeah.
But there is if I'm sitting with someone and there's great energy exchange, I'm like, wow, this will for sure be a long friendship, partnership. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, let's try. Before I tried, I started getting checks, bills, everything in that spell. And
Uh-huh.
for years, my spelling was AMAL, and I was like, why is this happening? This is like a conspiracy. I said, this is the world trying to tell me to change my name. And then from Amal Malik, I became Amal Malik. But it's okay. Both, like people call me Amal who know me since childhood. But Amal is Amal for me. बट ऐसा नहीं है बच्चों, जो भी देख रहे हो कि एक ए ऐड कर दिया, एक एल कर दिया और कम्बल पकड़ के सो गए उस टाइम पे. बहुत मेहनत की है. एंड टुडे आई एम क्लोज टू ऑलमोस्ट 90 songs in my career of 7 years, and it's only because of the hard work my parents did first, and then the support of my family, the blessing of their families, my grandfather, and our hard work, obviously.
You guys have an entire fan army. I mean, they call themselves Amalians, Armanians, Armalians. ये अरमान और अमाल दोनों की fan army. I mean, you guys are rock stars in that entire music circuit in the truest of the sense, because we haven't really. Do you think right now is the time which is very, very good for performing artists and artists like yourself and people who are going independent?
I think it's the best time. Performances तो बहुत दूर है अभी भी फिलहाल. You know, the shows, but people who are doing independent individual music on their face, it's a great time. If you see, since the lockdown and little before that, Arman, Honey Singh, Badshah, and Philip and Darshan Rawal, these four were doing some. Darshan was doing a lot of good songs, I would say, in the space that, you know, I like, the kind of music I like. Obviously, everyone has their own space, and luckily, independent music, because of the films being pushed ahead and theaters not being there and everything coming on the web. So, you know, music albums are not getting those. Film music albums are not getting that importance anymore. You know, it feels good and bad because I love doing films as well. But it's a great time for individual artists to put their own music and be stars independent of films. You know, we've always had a industry, but we've never had a music industry. We've always been dependent ki if that actor is in my song, then I'll make it. If that film is big and hits a certain number, then my music will also be remembered more. So now it's not that. Now I think listeners just want good music, and you see there's an entire range of independent artists, indie artists, in terms of very real indie music of India, I would say. Like Pratik Kuhad would be doing some really nice work, or Jasleen. And commercial indie pop would be what Darshan, Arman, Honey Singh, and Badshah, Divine, who's somewhere in between commercial and new age. So there's space for everyone. And I think that's what is important. People are managing to put their own style out, and people are loving them for that. And the audience is up to listen to any kind of genre. Now, because of the lockdown, they're listening to so much English music also. So there are kids who range from Kanye West to Farida Khan. There are people who listen like that. So it's great. We can now experiment a little more, because films mein kahin na kahin we get stuck to eras and situations and the kind of vision the director has, you have to follow. In single non-film music, I could also, you know, make my debut after, like, it was a dream at 15 to do a music video. I did it at 30. But I also started my journey and did something which I felt was my music, which I could play on screen. So I did something like that, and I'm also doing that mainly because it's a dream tour, and also my fans love to, I think after that video, they are waiting for my next. So I think I'll keep doing non-film stuff equally, give equal importance to that along with my films. And
Amal, you spoke about, you know, having been inspired from any and everything around and across you. So what I'm going to do, I also think that you are a 90s aficionado. I mean, you like the 90s music a lot.
In the first year of the 90s, I'm a 1990 born.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is let's do some word associations. मैं कुछ words बोलती हूँ, जो गाना आपके दिमाग में उससे related आता है. You tell me that. Okay? बारिश.
बारिश 90s का तो कोई नहीं याद आ रहा है.
नहीं, anything, any song that you.
इस दर्द दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई, मिल जाए ए वो जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह, दे दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई, ए वो बारिश जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह।
Look at the hearts flying.
और आज का बारिश, आई रियली लाइक बी प्राक्स बारिश ऑल्सो। ए खुदा तू बोल दे तेरे बादलों को, मेरा यार हंस रहा है बारिश की जाए। ये भी बहुत अच्छा गाना है।
Wow. Okay. Okay. Second one. Coffee. Since you are on coffee time with Griha, coffee. Coffee से कौन सा गाना है?
कॉफी से गाना मुझे I think I like that song. It doesn't speak about coffee, but it's for me. Coffee is that.
Yeah.
जा, जाने क्यों दिल जानता है, तू है तो I'll be all right.
Interesting.
जब
Interesting.
coffee,
Okay.
okay.
Sham.
शामें कई ऐसी शामें, and also a very beautiful song by मित्र दी शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी. Very nice song.
Okay. Asma.
तो आसमानों को और दो जहानों को छोड़ के आया तेरे पास. सब 90s के अगेंस्ट ही चल रहे हैं हम, बट ठीक है.
Okay. Okay. Then think hard. इसमें तो आ ही जाएगा. खूबसूरत. खूबसूरत से कोई 90s का ही याद करिए.
बहुत खूबसूरत हो, ऐसा कोई गाना तो था.
संजय दत्त. I know. I remember. उर्मिला मातोंडकर.
Can you add those words? सनम, दिल, जिगर, खूबसूरत, all the 90s words.
Okay. Okay. Last one. Siddharth Shukla.
सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला को सोच के कोई गाना अगर याद आता, 90s का एक गाना आई थिंक which would really suit him, you know, I feel would be राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई, राह में उनसे मुलाकात से डरते थे वही बात हो गई. Would really go well with him. I think he would look too cool on such a song.
I really love this song. It's beautiful. Beautiful he sung it. So Amal, अब हम क्या करेंगे ना? इससे पहले कि आप अपनी सारी कॉफी खत्म कर दो, there's a little game that I like playing. It's called Sip and Spill. My version of Never Have I Ever. I'll tell you these instances.
Still in the studio.
Sip and spill. Don't spill the beans only. So I will give you these instances. आपकी जिंदगी में ये चीजें हुई हैं. You will take a sip if that has happened in your life, and you will tell me the little story behind it.
Okay.
So let's begin. Take a sip. If you've gone without showering for days just because you were into composing one of your songs.
This to you know about this. That's why.
And how would I know?
4 days.
4 days? अच्छा नहीं, ये मुझे पता नहीं था.
किसी से मिला नहीं कोई. No one passed out with the fragrance. Don't worry. But 4 days I was in the studio, and then came out ले जा मुझे साथ तेरे, one of my most special songs. So I don't mind it.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, take a sip. If you hardly forget lyrics of the songs, like any song, or do you?
Last year तक तो ठीक था, तो छोटा सिप लूंगा. आजकल थोड़ा थोड़ा भूलने लगा.
भाई लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस होने चाहिए बहुत जल्दी. Once everything is over, the pandemic is over, maybe.
I think that will be really crazy to be on stage again.
Yeah, I know. Okay, take a sip. If you have flicked clothes of your brother's cabinet and gotten caught.
A big gulp.
But usually छोटे भाई बहन करते हैं ये. I mean, you've done it to Arman.
Arman and me, so see, the thing is, he's the boy who actually shops a lot. Okay, I'm filling up my coffee.
हाँ sure.
Hero, survive कर रहा आज. But no, he's the shopaholic kid. And I feel that वो अच्छी चीजें दुनिया में देख के कलेक्ट करके आ जाता है घर पे, and then I'm like, wow, I don't have this, मैं ले लेता हूँ. तो मैं नहीं ज्यादा, आजकल थोड़ा जाने लगा था और लॉकडाउन हो गया.
Okay, all right. Take a sip if you've had a physical fight inside your recording studio.
Oh yeah, with Arman only.
Ever.
Yeah, I threw books at him from this side and I forgot there's glass. It hit the glass and fell. Glass टूटा नहीं. चले आना के टाइम हुआ था ये. अच्छे से गा. अच्छा नहीं
But
गा
does
रहा
it happen often? Because obviously siblings, you have no filter, right? Because he's your brother, and I'm sure the other way around. So ये हमेशा होता है?
फिल्म मेकिंग निकलेगा, हम लोग एक कैसे हम गाने बना रहे, तो उसमें आधे बीप्स ही होंगे, आधे सेंसर, टू सेंसिटिव कंटेंट, किसी को मार रहे, आंख काली हो रही है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. बट एंड में बहुत उभर के अच्छे से निकलता है. तो नॉट फिजिकल फाइट्स इन द स्टूडियोज, बट यानी I expect a lot from him because I know he's a very deadly singer. I'm not saying this because he's my brother, and I know he can do sometimes much more than what he was doing maybe in that song, so that's why I push him to do his best. Now when I see him, Chale Aana is 2 years ago, and 3 years ago almost. So from there to now, when you see him sing South songs and Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Botta Boma and all these songs, you see his range is tremendous, and now he's doing international music. He's come a long way.
Right.
Now, अभी जो हम लोग ने ये गाना क्या किया तूने बहुत smoothly गया. Also because I wasn't in front of him. So yeah, I can say that. But मैं दुबई में था, but it went around really smooth. It was a very good set. तो हम लोग के इतने लड़ाई, मैक्सिमम अरमान से ही लड़ाई होती है, बाकी सबके साथ वर्बल लड़ाई हो जाती है, बाकी सिंगर्स यानी ऐसे no, I don't want this is happen, but that's how music is made. Even they have some suggestions, so that's part of it.
Okay, all right, fair enough. Take a sip if you have ever serenaded to a girl, maybe in school or college, with a 90s number, like literally गाना वाना गा के फिल्मी स्टाइल में.
90s का तो खुद का भी कोई गाना आई थिंक नहीं गाया, याद नहीं मुझे.
अच्छा.
तो मुझे जानते थे एक्चुअली टेल मी टू स्टॉप सिंगिंग एंड हमिंग, लाइक बस बाहर आए हम लोग, अभी थोड़ा गाना वाना.
हाँ, really?
हाँ,
But school में you were not this talented kid जो अच्छा okay fine this guy can sing and all that kind.
I started singing in college in 11th or 12th. I think I started singing. School mein I used to just play the keys. Arman used to sing. So he was the proper performer. I was like the backup keyboard player and the one in the shadows. And I like to be like that most of my life. It's only recently that I in the industry also I've always been the back office and he's been the front runner. He's always been doing shows. I started doing these things 2-3 years ago. Then I saw people wanted me to do it. आपका लाइव और मेरा लाइव थोड़ा रुक रहा है. So when you save it, just download the video and keep. Then we'll edit it nicely and put it. बहुत बार रुक चुका है.
Yeah, no, so you will have to save it because obviously it's your live. I will not be able to. There's a lot of lag now.
And save the video and then I'll send it to you. We'll edit it nicely. Glitches हटा देते.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Once I've downloaded it, then probably you can take it out. Okay, all right. Next one. Take a sip, and this is the last one. Take a sip if you remember your first ad jingle that you worked on, very first.
Yeah, I obviously do. What was
Which one was it? Which one was it?
Amul, lassi, Amul, masti, Amul, 1 liter pack. Now health is back.
Wow, man, that's so cool. Would you? I mean, if given a chance, would you like to work on ad jingles, or do you think now you're done with that phase?
I love to work on anything that needs music, and more than. Like, it may sound fun, to say ki, I love doing songs, but a musician, I think every musician loves to put music to picture also. Just any kind of good visual you get inspired. That is a more fun job also, doing background scores. I did Saina's whole score, so I was really excited. So after that, I've been doing a few. I'm doing a background score of a web series that's coming up now on Hotstar. It's called Shit Yaar, and funny and different. So अलग अलग चीजें मैं करता हूँ, and I like to do background scores also, because that's how I started. I've done about 100 jingles when I was a kid. I did from the age of 23. I did only jingles, and I used to be a background score assistant. I did Rowdy Rathod, I did Son of Sardar, Rambo Rajkumar, then R. Rajkumar jo thi Shahid Kapoor ki, with Salim doing Cocktail, and like I learned a lot through background scoring from all these musicians, Pratik Kota, Amar Mohan. So that side is always ready to go for it. Songs के लिए मैं excited तो हूँ. Obviously, that is something that has brought me so much audience love. But I love doing instrumental music. I love doing music where there's videos involved, some scale, and something that I can add by just watching. I want to create a world. So वैसा भी I love doing that.
Okay, and before I let you go, it is your life, so I'll not be able to take questions. Anything that you want to say to Amalians and Armalians who are joining this live chat? Song request का तो हमारे पास अभी time नहीं है, but I will obviously not let you go before you sing क्या किया है तूने for all of us. But anything that you want to address or your Amalians, you can.
गाने के थ्रू मैसेज भी दे दूंगा. I'll sing a little mix of a few things.
Yeah, sure.
खोली है खिड़की मैंने इस नाजुक से दिल की, जागे है देखो फिर से. क्या किया है तुमने, क्या किया है तुमने, क्या किया है तुमने मेरे लगा हूँ फिर से, होने लगा हूँ खुद से. क्या किया है तुमने मेरे शायद खत्म है या फिर बचा है मैं कहीं पे तुम्हारा इंतजार. तू सामने से ऐसे गुजरा हो लगा है हमको तुमसे ही प्यार. सौदा ये दो दिलों का लगता है ना होगा ये हमसे बात. क्या किया है तूने, क्या किया है तूने, क्या किया है तूने मेरे कई ऐसी चलो हम चुरा ले, कई ऐसी कई ऐसी चलो हम चुरा ले, कई ऐसी सानू नींद उड़ जावे, चैन छड़ जावे, तेरी याद ला एक पल विच 100 बार तू जावे कि तेरे लिए दुनिया तुझ पे आस्था कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां तू है तो है इसमें अब मुझको जाना है तू ही सब तेरे सब तुझको वो ढूंढे फिर कभी तुझसे मिलता रहूं मैं मिलती रहे तुझसे हम मिलेंगे फिर कभी घर से चलते कुछ दूर चल रास्ते में है उसका घर रहती है दिल में कैसे बताऊं तुझे, मैं तो नहीं कहता कोई बता दे कि नहीं तेरी और है इधर रुके ना रुके
Wow. Wow. Okay, there was slight bit of audio problem, but I could hear most of your music. और लोग राजेश को मारने की बातें कर रहे हैं, but I'm sure I would be able to, extract something or the other. But this was lovely, lovely. All the songs that you love, Amal, a lovely medley live. This has been brilliant. Thank you so much for doing this.
थैंक यू रियली मीन्स अ लॉट
Thank you
और
so much. And
वाईफाई कनेक्शन के साथ साथ वाईफाई वाले को भी बदल दूंगा और शायद घर भी बदलना पड़े अब तो क्योंकि इधर इतने सालों से कनेक्शन ऐसा ही है बट एज लॉन्ग एज वी आर ऑल कनेक्टेड एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल ऑल माय लिसनर्स दैट आई एम हियर एंड शायद 16 जून मेरा जो बर्थडे है उसके आसपास मैं शायद सोशल मीडिया से हट जाऊं थोड़े टाइम के लिए बट आई नीड दैट प्लीज डोंट वरी इट्स ऑल गुड अरमान कहीं ना कहीं स्लाइली मेरी कोई स्टोरी डाल देगा मैं जानता हूँ तो बट आई नीड अ ब्रेक नाउ बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट अ लिटिल like I had a great holiday but I was working in Dubai also on the next 3 songs that are coming so थोड़ा सा एक ब्रेक होगा but till the 16th of June तो मैं यहीं पे हूँ उसके बाद थोड़ा सा missing and then I'll be back
you enjoy your birthday month. Advance में आपको बहुत 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 happy birthday and keep doing the great work that you're doing. Keep shining.